At Liquidity Services, our customers are the largest companies in the world, and they expect us to provide a complete solution, a strategic solution, a compliant solution. They effectively want a partner for their supply chain needs.
Our partnership is focused on providing them the insight through the use of Asset Zone. It's a web-based tool that allows executives at the plant level to catalog their assets and make sure that they track them through the entire life cycle of that asset. Asset Zone has now given our client the visibility and control globally across their entire footprint to march towards a $40 million annual goal. And that goal is focused on how many assets we can help them redeploy, potentially resell, or source and use equipment.
The protection of the brand is critically important for this global consumer packaged good company. We developed a solution to reformulate, grind, and repackage these soap items into a B generic version to be sold on the market, thus protecting their primary brand, but allowing for the recovery of their investment in this material originally as sold as a brand B product and generating over $1 million towards the bottom line. Through the reprocessing of the soap materials and the paper products, we have been able to help them meet their sustainability and zero waste initiative.
We provide capital asset solutions for them. We're providing delabeling services for them. We're providing recycling services for them through our R2 certification. We really have become a partner with them. They have eliminated many, in fact, hundreds of other liquidators that they used because instead of just using a liquidator, they wanted a full service solution provider. And that's what Liquidity Services provides.
We began to work with them since 2010, and since then, we handed back millions of dollars return to them. The result is much better than otherwise they had to scrap the assets. We found buyers not only from automotive sector, we also found buyers from other sectors. We found buyers not only from China, we also found buyers from overseas. So the client is very impressed about our global capability and our solutions. They even integrated our service into their process to manage the surplus across different locations.
So we came along and we delivered a solution for them. We implemented Asset Zone, gave them all enterprise-wide visibility of those surplus, and then they could make decisions. They could make decisions to redeploy. If they were going to close a facility, then they had all the other facilities had the option to look within that database and decide what equipment was required. And if it wasn't required, it went straight to the market.
Liquidity Services replaced a manual, geographically fragmented sales process with an innovative online marketplace solution with integrated value-added services to track and manage each item that the DoD has in its reverse supply chain. The results have been remarkable. We've more than doubled the sales value realized for those assets. We've reduced over $25 million of operating costs per year. And the best thing for our client is they have more visibility and transparency over the reverse supply chain process, and we're still improving the recovery rates achieved for their property a decade into the program.
We negotiated the transaction, helped both parties with their due diligence, and ended with a result of company maximizing their return by selling assets to an end user, and an end user who was able to procure assets at a reduced price. The results for the client were we took a product that was not really unique in any way, and we put a global marketing plan around that, and the end results on the website were over 1,000 page views, over 100 bids, and 12 different bidders participating from 5 different countries.
We take a partnership business attitude with our clients to share the success of our service so that they can benefit from our scale, so that they can benefit from our services. This has resulted in a growing marketplace of sellers and buyers who share opportunity created by building a better future, a better process, a better marketplace for surplus in the reverse supply chain.